Hello everyone, my name is Hana Mutiara Rangkuti with student ID 2025 32080. Today we are going to discuss the practical laboratory report for the data structures and algorithm course. In this video, we will dive deep into a practical implementation of a queue using a drive-through simulation written in C++. I will walk you through the code structure, the core functions, the main simulation sequence, and finally, we will analyze the output of the program. Let's get started. First, let's look at how the system is set up. We define a maximum limit of 4 cars for our drive-through lane using macro. Next, we create a structure named Andrian drive-through. Inside this structure, we have an array of strings called plat number with our defined maximum size, which will store the license plates of the cars. We also declare two integer variables, front and rear. In the constructor, the front variable is initialized to 0 and the rear variables is initialized to -1. This indicates an empty queue state to begin with. Before we can add or remove cars, we need validations mechanisms. The first one is the isEmpty function, which simply checks if the front index is greater than the rear index. If it is, the function returns true. The second mechanism is the isFull functions. These functions checks if the rear pointer has reached the maximum limit -1. These two functions are extremely important to prevent our program from encountering errors during operations. Now, let's talk about the core operations. To add cars, we use the enqueue function. First, it uses isFull to check if the lane is full. If so, it prints that the drive-through is full and the car cannot enter. If there is space, it increments the rear and inserts the new license plate into the array at that rear position. Conversely, to serve cars, we use the dequeue function. It first checks if the lane is empty using isEmpty. If there are cars, the system serves the car located at the front index and then increment the front variable. Let's move to the main function to see how this simulation runs. First, we insert 4 cars to completely fill the queue. Then, we test our validation by trying to insert a fifth car with the license plate A7890XYZ, which should result in an error. After that, we serve the first 2 cars in the front of the line using the display function. We show the remaining cars and then we serve the rest until the line is empty. As a final test, we attempt to call the queue again while the queue is empty. Finally, let's analyze the output based on our simulation. The initial filling is successful for the first 4 license plates because the rear pointer has not yet reached the maximum -1. When we attempt to add the fifth car, is rejected by the system. This proves that our is full function works perfectly to protect the parking capacity limit. Thank you for watching and bye bye.